we said?
I've never spoken to my son about his overseas military. And he's using the abuse of power and every element of the presidency to try to do something to smear me.
Now, this week, the acting director of National Intelligence will be on Capitol Hill for a hearing with the House Intelligence Committee. While there, he's expected to be asked why he didn't hand over the whistleblower complaint to Congress as required by law. And happening tomorrow, climate change protests heading to the streets, and it could impact your commute. This follows massive climate rallies around the world on Friday. Well, tomorrow, organizers plan to shut down the district by blocking more than a dozen intersections. D.C. police say they are prepared. Metro is warning riders to give themselves extra time tomorrow. If protests disrupt bus routes, riders will be able to transfer to Metro trains. And Amtrak is also warning passengers to allow for extra travel time because of these demonstrations. Now, Amtrak says the H Street parking garage is a good alternate access point. And in Switzerland, hundreds of people showed up for a funeral for a glacier. A glacier expert in the country says it's shrunk by up to 90% in about 13 years. It's so small now that it can't scientifically be classified as a glacier. And President Trump is learning more about the devastation in Texas. During his visit to the state today, he met with first responders and rescuers about their work following Imelda and received a briefing on the most damaged areas. At least 5 people have been killed by the flooding, and the Coast Guard says it has conducted more than 400 high water rescues. You just have to think about that area as they try to recover from that. Houston, I lived there for a few years, and just every time there's a hard rain, it's a basin city, it floods.
And Imelda was only a tropical storm for a few hours, but
Right.
the point was it still was very impactful, so you don't want to look at the category. Hey, we got to talk about the heat because today we got into
hanging
the
on.
90s. Take a look at this map, and we keep talking about it. You know, the most number of 90-degree days ever was set back in 2010, and that was 67. And man, we're inching closer to that. Today, 93 degrees. That's 15 degrees above our normal average of 78 degrees. Take a look. It is our 58th 90-degree day of this year, 2019. We normally typically average about 36. Last year at this point, we were at 45. So, man, and I'm telling you, the record back in 2010 and 1980 as well, there were 67 of them. We could be in the 60 range by later this week. Look at this calming shot of the waves out of Rehoboth right now. Beautiful out at the shore. Sun going down now. 79 at Rehoboth. Light south-southwesterly winds. Very calm at this moment. 88 in the city, still in Quantico. 88 in Leesburg. 88 in Warrenton, folks. 88 still in Culpeper. Frederick still sitting at 90 with just a few scattered clouds. And through the next couple of hours, as we head through the evening, temperatures will go from the 80s into the 70s later tonight. Probably low 70s downtown, some 60s in the burb when you wake up and head out tomorrow morning. A fairly mild start. Not that kind of morning you're going to need an extra layer or a jacket. Now let's talk what's happening tomorrow. It's going to be another warm one. It's going to be hot, a little bit of humidity as well. And we are looking at a frontal system pushing through that could bring a shower or a storm. By afternoon, a few deep into the mountains. But here's the question. Get up to 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Redskins taking on the Bears over at FedEx Field. Futurecast says maybe an isolated shower or two at the beginning, maybe an isolated shower or two a little later in the evening, but honestly, very few and far between. You'll be lucky to get it. We are super dry, and pretty soon we could be headed towards some drought conditions. 93 tomorrow, still hot. Still a little bit of humidity around, that stray shower or storm potentially into the evening. So for the Redskins game, otherwise mild 80s into the 70s, but an isolated to stray shower or storm can't be ruled out, but nothing widespread that I can see. I want to mention Karen again, a tropical storm that could impact Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. By the time we get into Tuesday, they do have tropical storm watches up for those U.S. territories there, so we'll be keeping a close eye. Early next week, after the heat on Monday, we get a reprieve Tuesday and Wednesday. Look at that. Temperatures drop back nicely. Feeling a little more refreshing around here, but only for a short period of time. We make a run into the upper 80s on Thursday, dip on Friday, and then for next weekend, we could see more 90-degree weather. Next weekend at this point looking partly sunny, hot, but man, 90s. Tomorrow fall starts at 3:50, just for a reminder.
Yeah, because you can't walk outside until really.
Right.
Still feels like
Don't
summer.
wear a sweater tomorrow.
Good. All right. Well, thank you very much, Brian. So a good portion of the show has been sports so far, but I know there's much more action even going on.
Yeah, the Washington Nationals in the heat of a playoff race right now. Today, not so good. A brutal loss by the Nats in the series finale against the Marlins. What this means for their playoff chances, plus Game 3 of the WNBA semifinals. We'll let you know if the Mystics were able to close out those Vegas Aces. Sports is next. Stay with us.
It's not pretty good or nothing. It's not acceptable or nothing.
it's definitely not close enough or nothing. Mercedes-Benz SUVs were engineered with only one mission in mind: to be the best. In the category, in the industry, in the world. Lease the GLA 250 SUV for just $329 a month at your local Mercedes-Benz dealer. Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.
So our managers have a great experience with Dale Carnegie.
The instructors make the class engaging, and our employees walk away feeling that they've had fun, plus they've learned a lot.
At Sinclair, our managers feel energized and empowered with tools to be better leaders.
I value the relationship that Phoenix Contact has with Dale Carnegie.